Welcome to another episode of YouTube Grampa How-Tos. Today we're going to change the oil and oil filter on a 2025 Tohatsu 30 horsepower outboard motor. Stay tuned, we'll go outside soon and take care of that. Okay, here we are outside with the Tohatsu 30 horsepower 2025 Tohatsu 30 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. We're going to change the oil today. This is the engine oil. 4-strokes have regular engine oil like a car. I've already pre-loosened the oil filter, which is located under the cowling, and I already loosened the drain plug. So first what we got to do is get everything out of the way. Ah, shucks, I forgot paper towels again. 1 minute. Okay, for this procedure we're going to need a roll of paper towels, engine oil. This asks for 10W40 synthetic oil filter, 51 365 wicks, and there's the filter location and the drain plug location, which is under the cowling, under the motor. First we get our drain pan. I don't know how far this is going to squirt. And we need the wrench, finish. Oh, there it is. And this calls for 16 millimeter socket. Whoops. Okay, we got that loose. I got a feeling this is gonna squirt everywhere. Ah, missed. Yes, it did squirt everywhere. Hence the paper towels. There we go. Okay. And we're also gonna, once I wipe my hand, open up the fill plug. Relieve any air pressure in there. And then that looks pretty good. We're going to remove the oil filter. I was using a strap wrench and it doesn't seem to want to cut it. So we'll use a channel locks. They seem to be better suited for this because it's kind of deep in there. There we go. We got that loose. Try not to get oil everywhere when we remove this. Huh, not bad. And we open the new oil filter. Same size. Put a little oil on the ring. On the seal. Put a little oil on the seal. And then we'll throw that back in there. Oil all over me. Get it hand tight. And we'll see if we can snug it down with the strap wrench. Probably not, but this is going to be 2 hands. Hang on. Wrench in there. So what we're going to have to do is be careful with the channels. Man, this is a pain in the neck. It should be good. Quarter of a turn after, half a turn after hand tight. Get rid of the box. And it's done draining. Oh, I had a couple quarts in there. Put the plug back in. Tighten that bad boy back down. Just tweak it. Don't have to go too tight on that. Yeah. Now we can put oil in it. Oh shucks, now I'm gonna need a clean funnel. Otherwise this is gonna make a mess. One sec. Okay, we got a clean funnel in place. I'm not thinking I'm trusting, oh there we go. I'm not thinking I'm trusting that too much. We crack open our oil. We should only take a, ah crap, it's got one of those seals on it. Go a little at a time. Probably take about a quart. Dipstick looks good. Slow and easy. Now it's showing up on the dipstick. Yeah, I don't know if you could see the oil on the stick, but it's just a hair shy. I'm not having to use two hands for this, but okay. I can't see that. Actually, that looks pretty. Is maximum. Might be a hair low, but we'll wait. We'll run it and then check it after. Take care of the funnel. Put the fill cap back on, and that's how you change the oil on a 2025 Tohatsu 30 horsepower 4-stroke. And I did finally change the last spark plug. Next we'll do probably the fuel filter. That's part of the 50-hour tune-up. Until then, I'll see you later. And that's how you change the 4-stroke motor oil on a 2025 Tohatsu 30 horsepower 4-stroke. Hope you've enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye for now.